How was the younger Manjaris?
Excuse me?
You said the Manjaris are 12 years old.
12, 13. Nanga Manjari is not a Manjari, she's only a Manjari named Manjari. There's also a Kandharpa Manjari, there's a Saki named Kandharpa Manjari, but she's not, she's a Saki. She has the name Manjari, she's not a Manjari. She has conjugal lilas with Krishna, Manjaris never do. She has a kunj in the middle of Radha Kund, Nanga Manjari kunj. You can read Radha Krishna Ganadash Deepika, he describes different types of Sakis. He says these are Parama Preshta Sakis, and these type of Sakis are called Vara Sakis. And Vara Sakis, it's right there in the English and the Sanskrit. Radha Krishna Ganadash Deepika. Rupa Goswami says Vara Sakis like Ananga Manjari, he lists different ones. But then later after discussing, he said there's another type of Saki called Manjari. They're called Pran Sakis or Nitya Sakis. So she's a Vara Saki. So there's Varishta Sakis, and so it's a confusion because she has the name Manjari, and people think Ananga Manjari is like a Manjari. She not in Tattva, not in Ras. She's not. Oh, your name is Manjari. So it's confusing because in Yoga Pit Dhyan there's eight Upasakis. One of the Upasakis is named Kandharpa Manjari, and she's a full Saki. She has a kunja and she enjoys with Krishna.